Hi, my name is John Tilley, founder of the TailorMade franchise. At TailorMade, we offer a full and comprehensive quality clothing alteration service. Our philosophy at TailorMade is simple. The customer always comes first. You tell us when you need your garment ready and we will do it. It's that simple. You need your trousers shortened straight away? It's not a problem. We also specialise in bridal wear and leather wear. Each of our stores offers spacious fitting rooms for our customers' needs. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you at TailorMade.